Well, here we are again at the Fuerteventura camera at the Canary Islands. And we just saw yesterday the video around this time of night. And now we've got this coming in. I don't know what it is or why it's there. All I know is I saw the a gravity well here last night. Now there's no gravity well. Pitch black with these two things. Or three things, I should say. I just thought I'd make a video of it. It might turn out to be nothing, but I thought, well, see, that one's got a flashing light on it, too. That could be an airplane or something, but I'm not going to cam the video yet till I make sure it's not a flashing star or something like that, you know. It could be just not really flashing, it's just the clouds going by. Definitely weird, though. Yeah, I did a video, the last video I did, I'll put in the description box, shows the daytime view of this camera. Okay, it stopped now. You can tell when it's gray at the bottom, the JavaScript ran out of time. So anyway, we'll do a update in a little while on this. Fuerteventura camera island. Anyway, this is what it looks like during the day, and there's this big black gravity well right here last night. I'm gonna mix the video so you can run them together. It'll run right. This will run right in between the two videos, so you can see what it looks like during the day. But there's no object here except for this land here. Continuing to see this orbs and I don't know what this is right here. Lines coming down from the orbs, I guess. And still going, thank goodness. It's in Fuerventura, Canary Islands. Oops, there's the phone. And, oh, there. The clouds are moving out of the way. You can see it better when the clouds move. And, still not knowing what it is. Earlier today, I got a picture. I'm going to put up between, oh, there it is, real clear, a little bit better. And it's just a beach looking west. So this is looking west, and yesterday, about the same time yesterday, I caught a gravity well. And I'll put the link in the description box for the video from yesterday with the gravity well, so you can see the difference. That was really weird. It was the gravity well yesterday, and now today the gravity well's gone, but this is what we're seeing instead. Definitely interesting. It gets weirder by the minute, by the day. I never know what to expect the next day. Well, the JavaScript, I'm on Mozilla Firefox, and the JavaScript is holding up longer on this. I'm not having to restart it every few minutes, so I'm glad I tried that. There it is, really round right there. Okay. Oh, see, the JavaScript stops when it gets gray at the bottom, but it keeps reloading by itself, so I'm happy. Now this is what they call the camera here, but it's the Malaya hotel camera. Fuerteventura, Gran Canary Islands, and it's facing Africa. It's the long one that's shaped like a boomerang, and it's on the west coast facing Africa. And the hotel is where the isthmus is between, where the bend and the bend and the boomerang would be inside of the elbow of the boomerang. Is where the hotel is, facing Africa towards the west. And I'm just tickled that the JavaScript has held up this long. Looks like it might have stopped. But anyway, we've got enough footage now and you can see what's going on. And we'll keep an eye on this and see what happens. Thanks for watching. Not quite sure what this is, but it looks like a vortex of some kind. And we're at the Fuerventura, Canary Island hotel camera. Around 9:40 at night. Just recording it just in case it turns out to be something. It keeps stopping. It stopped again. The Java script only lasts for a few minutes and then it's over. But anyway, I'll need to go to this camera during the day and see what's behind this.